If you are a coach, a consultant, or a course creator who's been thinking about building your online business on Kajabi, you're going to want to watch this video to the end because today I can finally share something that I've been desperate to tell you about for the past week. So I'm Helen Collard from the Business Creators Community. I'm a Kajabi vetted expert, which means they've looked at what I do and they agree that I can do what I can do. And I help coaches, course creators build and grow their businesses on Kajabi. And I've been doing this for years. I genuinely love it. So if you've been following me this week, you'll know I've been hinting at something exciting. I was in Yorkshire. I was rescuing goats before coffee. And I kept saying, watch this space. Something big is coming. Well, today is the day. So what Kajabi is for anyone who doesn't know. Before I share the details, let me just tell you what Kajabi is. If you're new here, you might not be familiar with it yet. So Kajabi is an all-in-one platform that lets you run your entire online business in one place. That's your website, your courses, your membership, your email list, your checkout, your community, your podcast, your blog, all of it, one platform, one login, and one monthly fee. So no more duct taping 5 different tools together. No more wondering if your checkout is connected to your email list. No more paying for MailChimp and Teachable and a website builder and a payment processor all separately. One platform, everything talking to each other. And it's great because if you have the other model, lots of bits all sort of duct taped together, when something goes wrong, how do you know what's gone wrong? You don't have one place to look at it. And the beauty about Kajabi is it looks fabulous. It looks great. And I recommend it to every single one of my clients. And I have done for years because I genuinely believe it is the best platform out there for entrepreneurs, both solopreneurs, and also I've got clients who deliver into corporate who also use Kajabi. Anyone who wants to build a professional online business without becoming a full-time tech person. So I'll tell you very quickly a real story that illustrates why I love the platform so much. So I had a brand new client. She's not been with me very long. She's got the most fantastic idea. She works around well-being. She's a coach. She's retired, but she wants to take her work into her retirement. And the point of retiring is just stopping the old 9 to 5 to go and do what it is you really want to do. So she wanted to build something online. She's got Kajabi, but her problem is, she said, she's not technical. I don't really know if it's going to do this. Can it work for someone like me? So you can see the video. If you look in my videos, you can see where I built a website and web page for her in just a couple of hours. And she can now do the first part of her business because this sort of people is exactly what Kajabi is built for. It's built to serve you, to make it easy. So with her, I talked about what she needed. We mapped it out, how it would work for her specific business. And by the end of the conversation, she was excited rather than overwhelmed. And she's just delighted with the results. I've got another client who has corporate. Her clients are corporate, and she wants to set up in-person training, but with bespoke modules online and bespoke communities. And because she has lots of different training cohorts, they want different communities with access that's kind of isolated, so you only see your particular bit. So you could have their supervisors able to access one bit and the operators able to access the other bit, and the supervisors can see what the operators have been doing, but the operators can't see necessarily what the supervisors have been doing, or vice versa. It's so versatile. So what is the exciting news? Kajabi are running a very special deal right now, and I've genuinely never seen a better time to get started on the platform. I'm not going to waffle on about the details because the link is in the description below and you can see everything for yourself. But what I will say is this is the best deal I've seen them do for a long, long time, and it is 50% off for a whole year. So that's whatever plan you choose, 50% off for the whole year. So if you've been sitting on the fence about Kajabi, if you've been thinking about it, if someone's recommended it to you, if you've watched my videos and thought, maybe one day, that today is the day, because the deal is not around for long. It's just a few days. And what makes it even better, when you sign up through my link in the description below, you don't just get Kajabi, you will get 3 things from me completely free. Number 1, you'll get my Getting Started in Kajabi course. So the moment you log in, you're not staring at a blank dashboard wondering where to begin. You've got me walking you through step by step. Number 2, you will get access to my business creators community. This is a private community inside of my Kajabi where you will meet other business owners who have Kajabi. We meet fortnightly for the business creators community meetings where you can ask anything. I'll often do free training, free demos in there. You can ask not only me, but other people who are walking the same path as you. And it's a really lovely group, really lovely environment. And number 3, I'm going to offer you a free 30-minute Kajabi audit call with me personally. And we'll look at where you are, what you need, and what exactly you should prioritize first. So this is not me selling anything to you. There's no pitch, there's no pressure. This is for me to give you the benefit of my experience and my expertise and get you feeling excited about what's possible for you in your business with Kajabi. It's just a conversation, and all of that is waiting for you when you sign up through my link. I do have some other exciting packages that I've been working on. So if you are the type of person or at the stage in your business where you want to get Kajabi and you want to get it all just done for you within 30 days, so you've got a course up there, you've got a website, you've got your domain name, you've got your branding on there, I can do that for you. And I've put some special packages together to support that for while this offer is running. And I'll be talking about that later in the week. So please, please stay around, keep watching and subscribe. Please subscribe. It helps me out. So the link is in the description below. Go and have a look. If you've got any questions at all, drop them in the comments or send me a message directly. My email is in the description and I personally answer everything. And again, if you found this video useful, please subscribe. It really helps. And I do put on Kajabi tips and tutorials regularly. Sorry, so there's lots more coming. And if you think this will help somebody else, if you know somebody else who might benefit from this deal, please, please, please share the video with them. So I can't wait. So once again, I'm Helen Collard from the Business Creators Community, and I will see you in the next video.